Assalamu alaikum. Hope so that you all are fine. In today's video, I again welcome you to my YouTube channel English by Haseeb. As you know that in previous video we have discussed that what is basically phrase. In today's video we will discuss the difference between English literature and English grammar. First of all, I will write it here. Our today's topic will be our today's topic our today's topic will be difference between english literature English literature and grammar. For this I would like to make a column over here. On the left hand side of the column I will explain that what is meant by English literature, whereas on the right hand side I will explain that what is meant by English grammar. English literature basically deals with the languages, poetry, lessons, moral stories or fictional stories. First of all, what are languages? Languages are our daily spoken language which we use to communicate with each other, are all included in English literature. Whereas poetry, what is poetry? All those metaphorical words or group of metaphorical words which a writer used to explain her internal feelings are known as poetry. Now what are lessons? Those writings which are written to convey a message to the reader are known as lessons. What are moral stories? Those stories which have a moral but they are explained in such a way that they have the strong impact on their reader. Now what are fictional stories? Those stories which those writings or stories which do not have any actual appearance, but they are in fact the thinking of a person or just a fiction which is explained in the form of the writings. Now what does English grammar include? English grammar include structures of sentences. Now what is meant by structure of sentences? Structure of sentences mean basically what will be the sentence consist of, whether the sentence tells us about the current time, whether the sentence tells us about the past things, or whether the sentence will indicate what will be happen in the coming time. But will be the structure, whether the structure contains subject, verb or object or any other helping verb, etc. Now a second thing that is included in English grammar is that basically English grammar includes the meanings of words, that what are different words corresponding to and what are different words meaning of. Hope so you like the video. If you like the video, stay connected. Thank you.